Hi, everybody, and welcome back to domainacademy.com. If you're not listening to other podcasts in the industry, you are missing out. And one of my favorites is Domain Name Wire by Andrew Alleman. Brings you plenty of news and tips and actually practical advice from other investors. On his most recent podcast, he shared with us how his sales went for 2025. And one of the takeaways that I had was that he changes his lease to own to 14 months. He goes into that because it gives you a discount and he gets larger sums. You can listen to the full podcast and value adds on domainnamewire.com. But I want to show you how to do that. So I logged into my Afternic account and I'm going to go to settings. And what I want to do is I want to set it and forget it. So I'm going to go into my settings and set up my landers. If I want to allow lease to own, I need to choose this custom lander. And you can see that I set it up here for buy now plus lease to own option. And on lease to own, you need to enable installments. So make sure that you have this set up. I need to click advanced settings. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to change this to 14 months. So I'm going to go to custom. You can choose any of these. They show you the discount that you'll get if somebody leases on commission for that long. And what I am going to do is I'm going to change it to 14. And you'll see that I'll get a 5% discount by doing that, which is one of the things that he recommends. And I'm going to save my changes. And you can see they've been updated. So any new domains that I add that are eligible for a buy now price and a lease will automatically take that buy now price, add a lease to it, and set it to this custom lander as long as I point my name servers there, and automatically set it up for 14 months. So anything new. If I wanted to come in here to my portfolio and check on my settings, I could do this several ways. I'm going to show you how to do it quickly. I'm going to go through all my names. It will let me know what I have here as options. If you don't see all these options, it's because you've chosen all your names and not all of them can do one of these options. So there's another way to select it. You can go to filters and you could choose buy now price. Anything with a buy now price will now be filtered. I am going to choose pricing. And what I'm going to do here is I'm going to choose lease to own enabled. I can choose 14 months. And then I would choose my pricing. I don't want to reprice everything to the same buy now price because they're all priced differently. But if I did, I could do it all in bulk, or I could do the names by sections using the filters, or by doing a sort by statuses. So you can go through and select your names based on many different options and do this relatively quickly. And you can set it up so that by default, everything that comes in follows Andrew's recommended best practice from his podcast. You could take maybe 2 minutes. This video has been under 4 minutes to do the entire thing. So I hope this helps. And don't forget to share, like, and subscribe. And we'd love to hear if you're making sales as a result of Domain Academy. Post them in the comments. Thanks a lot.